Moringa leaves are very rich in nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and filled with 40 different types of amino acids and antioxidants. With twice the protein of spinach and 3 times as much as iron. No wonder it is called the superfood. Let's see how to make moringa soup. Before we get started, I wish you all a very happy new year. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications on new recipes. Let's get started. Take out the leaves from the stem like this and wash it with water. In a medium flame, heat a saucepan and add 1 tablespoon or 2 small cubes of butter. Once the butter melts, add 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 to 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, and saute it for a minute. Don't over roast the garlic. Now, add a cup of moringa leaves, a pinch of turmeric. Mix it well for 2 minutes so it combines well with the butter. Now, add 4 cups of water to it. And add 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a nice mix. Close the lid and allow it to cook for about 6 to 7 minutes in a medium flame. Meanwhile, let's prepare the corn flour paste. In a cup, add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add little water to it. Mix it and keep it ready. If you want the soup to be thicker, you can add more corn flour. Now let's add half teaspoon of pepper powder. If you need more spice, you can adjust the pepper to your taste. It's time to add the corn flour paste. Mix it well and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Switch off the flame. I'm adding another half teaspoon salt and pepper to adjust to my taste. Finally, squeeze the lemon juice. Now the hot moringa soup is ready to serve. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button, like, share and subscribe. Goodbye and stay tuned for more.